Hi, in today's video, we're going to go over some giant red flags you may not be aware of when you're buying a home, and we're going to start right now. In today's market, many buyers are buying homes without doing a home inspection. Now, in an earlier video, I discussed the importance of doing a sewer scope inspection. Now, a sewer scope inspection is different from a home inspection. Okay, what is a sewer scope inspection? A sewer scope inspection is where the plumber is going to run a camera from the main line from the house to the street to inspect the main sewer line. Now, this is going to set you back about $100, but it's well worth the investment. Now, just to be clear, a home inspection and a sewer scope inspection are two entirely different inspections. Okay, the home inspection is inspecting the house, and the home inspector, when they do the home inspection, are not inspecting that main line. So if you want to scope the main line, that's an entirely different inspection. Why is a sewer scope inspection important? Okay, here's what happens. The buyer moves in, and then after they move in, the main sewer line backs up and floods the basement with raw sewage. Now here's the situation. This may not be covered by insurance. So when you buy insurance for your property, you want to make sure that you talk to your insurance agent to see if that's covered. That's going to be a separate rider. Okay. Same thing goes with the home warranty. It may not be covered by the home warranty. You want to explore the details of the home warranty to see if it's covered. Okay, but more than likely, it's not going to be covered by a home warranty. So if you need to replace that main sewer line, that's going to cost you anywhere up to $10,000 to repair that main line. Now, here's the difficult part. Especially in today's market, as a buyer, you're being punished if you're doing a home inspection, let alone a sewer scope inspection. You know, for example, last month I sold a home and it received 9 offers. And guess what? The 9th offer, the one that came in dead last, wanted to do a home inspection and a sewer scope inspection. Okay, was it a good idea for the buyer to ask for those items to be done? Yes. But did they buy the house? And the answer is no. Well, what do you do? Okay, if you're buying a home, there are 4 red flags to be aware of that may be a tell if there's main sewer line problems. Okay, the first red flag is if the home is built before 1980. The second red flag is if in the neighborhood there are mature hardwood trees in the neighborhood. That's the second red flag. The third red flag is if the main stack is made from cast iron. And the fourth red flag is when you look at that main stack, you want to look for the drain out plug. If that has been replaced with a plastic plug, that means sometime during the past, a plumber replaced that main stack drain out plug, and that could be an indication of a potential sewer issue. So those are 4 red flags you want to be aware of.